Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, in our last video, we finished till question number 5. Now let me start from question number 6. So question number 6 is that two adjacent angles of the parallelogram have equal measure. Two adjacent angles have equal measure. Okay. So friends, we know that two adjacent angle having the we know that if we do the addition of two adjacent angles, so addition is equal to 180, and it says that two adjacent angles are same, equal measure, so both should be 90-90. So find the measurement of each angle of the parallelogram. So simply we have to write down both angles are of 90 degree. Okay, like this. Here I wrote that two adjacent angles are same. So addition of two adjacent angle is 180 degrees. So angle 90 degrees. All angles are 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So in question 6 you have to write down like this. Now question number 7 friends, the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. It is given over here. So from this we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. So in this parallelogram we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. So let me see how to got it. So here friends I draw the figure, and here we have to find the value of X, Y, Z. So friend, we know that angle 40 and angle Y are alternate angle 40 and Y. Okay, 40 means this angle and this angle are alternate. See, देखो ये Z बना है, तो वो दोनों alternate angles. So alternate angles are same. So this one is 40, so Y is equal to 40. So Y is equal to 40 because 40 and Y both are alternate angles. Now next, angle POX plus POH. POX means this and POH this. देखो ये दोनों कैसे है फ्रेंड्स, दिस बोथ आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल, मीन्स ये दोनों सम एडिशन, ये दोनों एंगल्स का एडिशन होगा 180 डिग्री. So it is given 70, so 180 minus 70, so 180 minus 70 to 110. So here we got this one is 110, value of this 110. Now this angle and this angle both are opposite angle. So in parallelogram opposite angles are same. So this is 110. So X is equal to 110. So angle POH is equal to angle X, opposite angles. So angle X is equal to 110 degree. Okay, so we got the value of X and Y. Now we have to find the value of Z. Now friends, angle E plus angle H. See here, angle E, this angle and this whole angle, ये दोनों का एडिशन क्या होगा? बोथ आर कंसेक्यूटिव एंगल्स और कंसेक्यूटिव और एडजेसेंट एंगल, मीन्स ये दोनों का एडिशन होगा 180. ओके, सो वी हैविंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. एक्स की वैल्यू हमारे पास है 110 प्लस 40 प्लस जेड इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास एंगल ई प्लस एंगल एच इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल ई की वैल्यू हमारे पास है, एंगल ई की वैल्यू है 110 और एंगल एच मीन्स ये पूरा, एंगल एच मीन्स ये पूरा एंगल, इसकी वैल्यू होती है, हमें फाइंड करनी है. सो 180, सो 110 मूव टू राइट हैंड साइड, सो इट बिकम माइनस 110. नाउ एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस टू, सो 70. सो ये एंगल पूरा एच ये पूरा 70 मिला, ये 40 है तो ये हो गया 30. सो एंगल जेड इज इक्वल टू 30 degree. Okay, so here we got the value of X, Y and Z all. Question number 8, the following figures GUNS and RUNS are a parallelogram. So find X and Y, length are in centimeter. Okay, GUNS this and RUNS. In this we have to find the value of X. So friends, in the parallelogram opposite angles are same as well as opposite sides are also same measure. So we can write down 3y minus 1 is equal to 26, or we can also write 3x is equal to 18. So from this equation we can find the value of X and Y both. Okay, so let me see how to find. So here friends, 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. Okay, these two sides are same, parallel sides. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. 1 transfer to right hand side, it become plus 1, 26 plus 1 27. Now this 3 is goes to division of 27, so 27 by 3, 3 9s are 27. So we got the value of Y is equal to 9. Now friends, 3x is equal to 18. So 3x is equal to 18. So these 3 went to denominator of 18, so 3 6 are 18, so x is equal to 6. So here we got the value of x and y both. Now again downside, in the question number 8, two figures are there. So again RU and S. So here friends, diameters are there. We know that parallelometer diameter are intersect each other at exactly half, means these and these are same, these and these are same. So we can write down y plus 7 is equal to 20 or x plus y is equal to 16. These both are same and these both are same. So y plus 7 is equal to 20. So this 7 moves to left, right and right, so it become minus 7. So 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. So we got the value of y is equal to 13, and here x plus y is equal to 16. So here value of y is equal to 13. So we can put here value of y 13. So this 13 moves to right hand side, so it become minus 13. So x is equal to 16 minus 13. So x is equal to 3. So here we got the value of x and y both. Now friends, let me see question number 9. So in question number 9, the trapezium is given. Trapezium means only one pair of lines are parallel, means this is parallel, these two are not parallel. In this we have to find out the value of x, means we have to find out the value of this x. Okay, so friends, this is the trapezium, but in this trapezium two different figures are there, two parallelograms are there. So we can consider KSIR is a one parallelogram and EULC is it's another parallelogram. Okay, so let me find out the value of x. So friends, first one is this parallelogram. So in parallelogram opposite angles are same. So this one is 120. So this one is also 120. Okay, so we can write down angle SKR is equal to angle SIR because opposite angles. Okay, now this one is 70, so this one is also 70, opposite angle. So we can write down angle ULC is equal to angle UEC, same opposite angle. So this one is 70, so this one is also 70. So here we got 70. Now friends, this and this angle and this angle are adjacent angle. Okay, so we can write down angle SIR means this, SIR means this angle, plus angle ISK is equal to 180 degree because both are alternate, or also we can say adjacent angles. Okay, we can say adjacent angle. Now we having the value of SIR, angle SIR, we have the value of SIR, it's 120. So here we put 120 degree plus angle, okay, like this. Now this 120 shift to opposite side. So we got the value of ISK. ISK means this we got 60 degree. Now friends, we consider here this one is the small triangle. Two angles are there. X we have to find. So x plus 70 plus 60. Okay, it is let me give the name M. इसको M नाम दे देते हैं. So triangle MES, angle M plus angle E plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle E and S, E is equal to 70 or angle S 60, angle M 70 plus 60 130. 130 moves to right hand side, so it become minus 130. So we got the value of M 180 minus 30, so 50 degree. So angle of M is a 50 degree. So X is equal to 50 degree. So this way we can solve the full X. We got the value of X. Question number 10, friends. Explain how this figure is trapezium. Which of the two sides are parallel? Figure 3.32. In this, which two sides are parallel? So simply हमको लिख देना है कि side KL is parallel to side NM. So this is called a trapezium. Simply finish. Sum is finished. Now question number 11. Find measurement of angle C in figure 3.33. In this figure we have to find out the value of C. So simply ये दोनों क्या है? Adjacent angle. These both angle B and angle C are adjacent. So addition of these two angle is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 120 is equal to. So I'll show you how to find it. Both are supplementary angle और हम दोनों को adjacent angle बोल सकते हैं. तो angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree. B का measurement हमारे पास है यहाँ पे 120. So 120. Now this 120 transfer to right hand side. So it become minus 120. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So he got the value of C is equal to 60 degree. Now sum number 12, last, find the measurement of P and S, angle P and angle S in this figure. Okay, I will show you that figure I already draw in my notebook. We have to find out the value of P and S. So we can say that this angle is 90 degrees. So this one is also 90 because these two are adjacent angle. So 90 plus 90, 180, done. So angle S is equal to 90 degree. Angle Q is equal to 130. Now friends, it is the quadrilateral, four side. So addition of all angle is equal to 360 degree. So friends, here we finished our exercise number 3. Exercise number 3.3 is finished over here. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.